Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel Devotion of Knowledge. We are back again with another video of C++ STL playlist. In the last video we have discussed about ordered set. We have made two videos on ordered set. One was the video in which we understood what is ordered set. In the next video we learned how to make some changes in our min.gw files. In the third video we implemented the ordered set. Now in this video we are going to solve a dedicated problem of Codeforces. Problem is of Codeforces and it includes use of ordered set. So those who are willing, means you guys should solve this problem. So problem number is 1915F and the name of the problem is greetings. Let us directly move to the problem statement, that what problem is trying to say. Okay, here is the problem statement. There are n people on the number line. The ith person is at point AI and wants to go to the point BI. Okay, problem is saying that person is standing at AI and is willing to go to the point BI. Okay, AI is always less than BI, so AI will be always on the left side of BI, always on the left side. And starting and ending points of all people are distinct. Okay, AI and BI for each and every person are different, means there won't be any kind of clash present. All the people will start moving simultaneously at a speed of 1 unit per second. Please remember this thing, 1 unit per second. मतलब कि एक सेकंड के बाद एक इंसान एक सेकंड में सिर्फ एक ही कदम आगे बढ़ेगा. मीन्स अगर AI 1 है और BI 5 है तो एक सेकंड में AI सिर्फ 1 से 2 जाएगा, 2 से 3 जाएगा, 3 से 4 जाएगा और 4 से डायरेक्टली 5 जाएगा. ओके, हाउ मेनी ग्रीटिंग, मीन्स अगर दो पीपल एक सेम पॉइंट पे मीट होते हैं, अगर सेम पॉइंट पे वो दोनों का मीट होता है तो वो दोनों हैंडशेक करेंगे, ग्रीटिंग्स करेंगे. तो हमें ऐसे नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स दिया है और हमें पता लगाना है कि हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ ग्रीटिंग्स विल बी देयर. ओके, raised to 4. Okay, let us understand the test case. Here one test case is 2 3. Let us make one number line. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 3 1 4, 2 3 1 4. Okay, 1 4. This one is person 1 and 2 3. This one is person 2. Okay, ये भी यहाँ खड़ा है, ये भी यहाँ खड़ा है. एक सेकंड में ये यहाँ पे जाएगा, ये यहाँ पे जाएगा, पर ये यहाँ पे आके रुक जाएगा. In the next second it will move from this. Here they both will meet. Here they will make greeting and first person will move forward. So there will be total of one greeting. Total of one greeting will be there. Okay. The next same question, same logic is there. Okay. Now, what are the constraints in the question? What are the constraints? Okay. Sum of n over all test cases does not exceed 2 into 10 raised to 5. तो हमारा ओ मतलब n का जो कंस्ट्रेंट है, n is 2 into 10 raised to 5. Okay, अभी देखो. Okay, we will come to the constraints later. First let us understand which approach we can apply. अभी पहले तो ये समझना पड़ेगा कि ग्रीटिंग होगा कब. When will this greeting take place? So greeting will take place, for example, see, if every person starts here, it walks 1 unit per second, right? And it will be always moving towards the right, 1 unit per second. Every coordinate given for the person, every person are different. Okay, so when will this greeting happen? So greeting will happen when, for example, it's the number line. So it is a starting point for person, it is ending point for person 1. This one is starting point for second person, this one is ending point for second person. There are such cases possible. This one is the first case. Second case, starting of the person, ending of the first person, starting of the second person, ending for the second person. One test case is this one, S1, E1, S2, E2. Third is this one. Fourth is this one, S1, E1, S2, E2. Out of these 4 cases, 1, 2, 3 and 4, in which case the greeting will take place? In which of the 4 cases 2 person will meet? This one, this one, this one or this one? In which one? If your answer is option 1, then you are correct. Think patiently. Greeting will only take place in the first case, because in all the rest of the cases each person is moving 1 unit per second. So everyone will be moving 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. So the speed of every person is uniform. So unless and until the another person's endpoint as well as starting point is there within your range, in that case only greeting will take place. Otherwise, in all the cases, there won't be any kind of greeting present. Let me repeat. The greeting will only take place when the starting point as well as ending point of some person lies within the coordinate range of yours. Otherwise, in all the rest of the cases, here, 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 there is no greeting present, because this one starts, this one also starts. So they are moving with constant speed. So there won't be any kind of greeting present in this case as well. So in this case only, greeting will be present. So we are just supposed to find, we are given all the coordinates, means a1, b1, a2, b2, a3, b3, a and bn. Okay, now we are only supposed to find which pair lies between the range of a current element. Means if this range lies, if it is a this segment is subset of this segment, this two will greet. So can we can't we compare this one with everyone present, this one with everyone, this one with everyone, this one with everyone? So uh, where is it? Okay, if we compare everyone like this, it is O of n square, right? It is O of n square. Can we solve this problem O of n square? Time constant is of 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So in worst case, we can go up to 5 into 10 raised to 7 iterations, right? 5 into 10 raised to 7 iterations. Can we? Because see, n square will result into 4 into 10 raised to 10. 4 into 10 raised to 10, which is far more better, which is almost 1,000 times than this one. So if we are given 5,000 seconds, then we can definitely go with the O of n square approach. But in this case, we are given only 5 seconds. So forget to use O of n square approach. Now what another approach we can use? Think. Now as you all know, it's the problem of ordered set, right? So we have to use ordered set. I hope there will be some sort of disturbance in the noise, because firecrackers are going out there because it's the time of Diwali, but no worries. Problem of ordered set, right? As we are given A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3, Now, as I told you, for example, it is A1 and B1, right? So if A4, B4. So if any of the other given pairs lies into my segment, or if that particular segment is a segment of my segment, then that means this A1 B1 pair will handshake with them, right? So A1 and B1, right? So A2, A3, A4, they should be greater than A1. They should be lying somewhere like there. And B2, B3 and B4 should be lesser than B1, right? So what if I tell you, I take this as input of vector of pair, I sort all of them, right? Okay. After sorting, if this is a vector of pair, all the elements are distinct, right? So this A2, A3, A4, they all will be always greater than A1, right? No worries, one of the problem is already done, means they should be on right side of A1. Now using ordered set, can I make sure that out of this, apart from B1, there are how many elements present into the set which are less than B1? Let me again repeat. See, I am storing all of them, so storing as well as sorting. So all these elements A2, A3, A4 will be always be greater than A1. They always will be present on the right side of A1, right? Now, to make a greeting, we should make sure that the right hand side or the ending point of that particular person should be less than B1. So, can I make sure using ordered set, or can I find that how many elements are there into my set which are less than B1? I again repeat, can I find the number of elements in my ordered set which are less than B1? All the elements which are less than B1 will be able to make a greeting with the persons, means current persons, means A1 and B1. I hope it is clear to you guys, because see, all the elements A2, A3, A4 will be always greater than A1. So that condition of being right side of A1 is already fulfilled. Now there is only one condition that we should be making sure that all the elements, means all the persons endpoint should lie, means every person's endpoint which is lying before B1 should make handshake or should make a greeting. So by ordered set, I can find that how many elements are there whose endpoint is less than B1. So time complexity will be n log n, right? Because for every element we are iterating, this will be O of n, and for each and every element we are trying to find that how many elements are there which are currently lesser than my endpoint. So it will be O of n log n, which is completely acceptable because constraint is 2 into 10 raised to 4. So 10 raised to 4 का लोगे तो भाई 4 ही होगा, तो it is almost 8 into 10 raised to 4. So that is known, and we can definitely use this complexity, right? I hope guys the approach is clear to you. Let us move directly to the coding part. Just make sure that recording is going on. Okay, recording is going on. Okay, what is there in the input? Okay, first is test case we are supposed to take in input. Okay, it is taken. Int n, scene n, vector of pair of int v, ordered set s, because here I have declared as ord underscore set, so ordered set s. For int I equal to 0, we will be taking input just declare a size of v as n, so that we can directly take input as scene v of dot first, v of I dot second. And as we are supposed to find here that how many elements are present into the set which are less than b1, means we only require the ending point of each and every person into the set. So we will be taking s dot insert v of I dot second, because we don't need any first or starting point of the person. We are just only interested to find the elements which are less than the end point of the current persons at which we are standing. Okay, we will sort this vector that we have taken, all v, because I have declared one macro for the v dot begin and v dot end in n is equal to 0. Now we will be iterating through the loop I less than n, I plus plus. Now int x is equal to v of I dot second, right? Now currently I am interested to find number of elements which are less than the end point of my less than my endpoint into the set. Okay, so I will be just incrementing a dot order underscore key of element x, means it will return all the elements which are less than the value x, and after that we will be erasing x, because that handshake for that particular person is already been taken care of. So now we won't be requiring that particular element anymore. It's okay. So we will be just deleting them, s dot erase x, and finally we will be giving answer. We will be using NL because there are multiple test cases. So I hope this much is enough for the code. Let us run the code, CPH judge, because there are multiple test cases. So okay, I have already input is already there, so a dot, okay, sorry, the name of the set is SJ. Let us run them all. Okay, test cases are passed successfully, so let us submit it. Okay, question is submitted, and contest or anything going on, because it is taking some time. Oh, I think the server is down of Codeforces, but no worries. The code that I submitted yesterday also is almost same. As you can see, there is not much any change. Both the codes are almost same. Yes, okay. I think the server of the CF is down. That's why it is not taking an input. So I think this was enough for us as far as set container is concerned. We have discussed more than enough content as far as set container is there into the picture. Now we finally conclude with the set data structure. Finally, I can say that we are done and dusted for set container. We will be meeting in the next video with the fresh new topic, which is map, and it is as interesting as a set, because map data structure means it is having a wide range of application and problem solving and all that. So till then, I am glad to say that we have completed set data structure from scratch, because we understood what is set, we solved its problem multi-set, then we also did unordered set, its implementation, its problem. In the next video we did 4 videos for ordered set. One is what is ordered set, the changes in MinGW files, implementation of ordered set, and this video in which we have solved one problem. And by the way, those who don't know, this problem is of 1500 rating, which is quite good rating, but if you guys are aware about ordered set, the use of ordered set, this problem was nothing but just a 10-minute task to do. And yes, 1500 rating is considered as decent rating on Codeforces, a problem rating. So I hope guys this much is enough for this video for the set container. Now we are done with the set container. Next video, next topic, map is the topic. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep hard working. Thank you.